tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please.
Hey Forever Dolls, welcome back to my channel. I am so very excited to be recording this chit chat get ready with me for you guys. I'm on the phone with my mom trying to help her with some business plans as well, you guys, so do not be mad at me, okay? But we're gonna go ahead and get started into the video. So let's jump right on in. Back to the conversation. Back to you, Mom. What were you saying?
I was asking, what was you saying? So you did both tripod? It's on your house?
So you know how the legs just kind of like wrap around? I just like set it on there. I have to take a picture of it and show you, but I just kind of set it on there so that it just sits and it's doing a pretty good darn job, as if it was supposed to be there all along. So it's working out for me right now. I recorded a video with my vanity in the background of me today, and I liked it. I'm working on just trying to get it set up so where I can see the stuff that I want to see in the background and stuff like that. Like right now I'm recording a chit chat get ready with me right now, featuring you on the phone, and the background is
You on the phone? What is that?
featuring you on the phone. That means I'm recording a video and you're on the phone right now. Wow.
Right now you're recording a video while you're chit-chatting with me.
Yeah, it's called a chit chat get ready with me. Hello.
You're supposed to be chit-chatting with them. Perfect me.
Yeah, I mean, you know, they get the point.
Okay.
So yeah, girl. Okay, guys, sorry about that. So I went ahead and primed my face, but anyways, you guys, let's go ahead and jump on into this conversation. I have like so much to talk to you guys about. Like, it's just been, y'all, it's been like so stressful. For one, just because, like, you know, I started my job. Let me get my mirror. I started like working again, and like my manager just really took on to me, like really good. And I mean, I'm not mad about that, but what I am mad about is that I'm like the only one that he like calls in to like work and like all this more stuff. And y'all, let me tell y'all, it's becoming a burden. Like, it's really becoming a burden to like try to be there and like try to like play like save the day, knowing that, you know, I'm like trying to pursue like my own stuff and do like my own thing in life, y'all. It's just, oh my god. But I mean, I like the job. It helps me like reference like to myself, like my makeup and stuff like that, especially like being that I don't know anybody out here, so it's harder to reach out to people, being that I'm not from where I live. So I appreciate the job for that, but I'm just starting to feel like it's getting in the way of what I'm supposed to be trying to do. Like, yeah, I don't even know what kind of outlook I'm going for. So you guys, the recent videos that I put up, I want to know you guys' feedback. You know, I ask you that in my videos all the time, to tell me if you guys like the videos that I'm putting up. You know, thumbs up them, thumbs down them, comment, let me know in the comment sections. You know, I never know what to keep posting or not keep posting if you guys don't tell me what it is that you do and, you know, you do not want to see. I'm just going to keep putting out content that I think is good for my channel. But I definitely want to know you guys' feedback because it's important. Okay. I want to do a nice soft eyeshadow look, you guys. Something flirtatious that says, yes, we're going on a dinner date. Okay, so I'm going with this so cool taupe color. I don't know what the heck this girl be naming some of her eyeshadows. And we're going to focus right here in the crease. Yes, crease brush, get in there. And basically I just feel like we're darkening that orange that I just applied in there, but that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's alright. Y'all, I can't sing, okay? So do not come for me in the comment boxes, okay? Because I will come for y'all back. I tell y'all all the time, don't come for me unless you want to be came for back. I noticed in my chit chat get ready with me, I don't really be talking about shit. And that's just true facts. But y'all just watch it anyways. And let me tell y'all, I love y'all for that. Oh, you guys, like, I don't know. I'm just ready. Like, I'm ready to be able to afford to move out of Texas. Like, you guys don't understand. I am so ready to get out of Texas and just live somewhere else. Like, I feel like there's another life for me somewhere else, and I feel like it's time for me to like go and like find it and go and be a part of it. Like, I feel like there is other places that I'm supposed to be, you know? Y'all, I really hope Olive Garden is excited to see me as excited as I am to finna be able to see them. Like, be excited. Even though the thing that kills me about Olive Garden is that they don't have any good drinks. Like, I be wanting to go there and have a drink with my food, and they don't have any good drinks. But I guess because Olive Garden is the type of place that you're supposed to have like some wine with your meal. And I mean, don't get me wrong, y'all, I love wine. I love me some wine. It's like so hard for me not to like tutorialize this video and be like, you guys, so now we're gonna do this, because I'm not really used to like vlogging or like doing like chit chat get ready with me's. And I mean, I'm trying to for you guys because I know that there's stuff that you want to see, and I know you guys want to know more about me, and I definitely want to be able to tell you guys more about me and, you know, things like that. So I'm trying to do the whole, you know, chit chat get ready with me's and stuff like that, so that, you know, I'm being more active and giving you guys more about my life and stuff like that. I'm gonna spray this brush, y'all. Oh, spray my face too. Oh, that spray smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna go and blend it out with this Instapot face brush. I mean, where can you get a more better concealer foundation at? I mean, this is really, really nice. Okay. Yo, Hennessy be down there making some weird ass noise. That is one attention seeking ass dog, y'all. That's what I have learned about Hennessy. He is one attention seeking dog. Nothing could be fucking wrong with him at all. But if you're not paying him the type of attention that he wants, he gonna go over here and make these freaking gagging noises, like all this more stuff to make you think that something's wrong with him. And then when you go to check, he just wants you to rub on him. Like, no, guy. So anyways, you guys, those are just future plans that I have coming up and things that I want to do. You see how I had to figure some shit out right there? But I figured it out, okay? Okay.
Made it work?
Oh, yeah, you know. Okay, what do I need to do? I'm gonna go and spray my face. What's that box?
I ain't got some Taco Bell just to hold it over my face.
Some tacos from where?
Some Taco Bell.
Oh.
I got you.
And we are out.